Hello dear student, welcome once again in this course 107. Unit number 2 is about pedagogical methods. For teaching of English language to the students, there are many methods of teaching. Dr. West method is also known as reading method. Means every teaching method has its own merits and demerits. But somewhere these methods are useful and helpful to transfer the content among the students. Let's see what is meant by Dr. West's new or reading method. The main objective or premise or aim is that any student who is learning English as a second or third language and not as a first language or mother tongue should be able to read and understand English. Means in this reading method, Dr. West was believed that one who likes to read his language only is the way of learning English language. Means emphasis is given on different reading methods, whether it is model reading, whether it is loud reading, whether it is silent reading. Means in this one, main focus is given on reading only. By reading itself can help you to get impact or you can enrich your knowledge of English. So as a teacher or as a student teacher, what you have to do? You have to follow the procedure. First of all, in this West new method, what is expected that model reading is done by the teacher or loud reading is done by the student. Means teacher has to read or student has to follow his instructions. Whatever he does, they have to repeat after him. In this one, the silent reading is also done by the students. Means teacher has to ask all the students to read particular prose or paragraph of particular prose in silently. After reading this type of silent reading, then teacher can ask some questions. This question totally based on comprehensive level of questions. So that for evaluation again there is reading by the students. Means in this method what is expected? Reading, silent reading, comprehension and evaluation. If students do properly, then they will once again ask to read or read out particular content. Then what are the merits of this Dr. West reading method? Listening and reading skills are developed because in the classes teacher is a model before them. Teacher likes to read particular content loudly in the classes. Student has to or all students have to listen him carefully. Means listening or it is active listening. After that, teacher instructs them, they have to read it. And all students follow him and they read it loudly. So that listening and reading skills are definitely developed. If students follow this technique, they will have the better command and they will get the fluency in the English language because they kept reading themselves various types of data, various types of content. Then it is propagates comprehension or understanding of the language. Means it is expected that when you are there to read something, at that time you came across with different words, vocabulary, and because of this, your vocabulary is enriched. It encompasses the extensive set of vocabulary. Means when the student is there and if he wants to enrich his vocabulary, then there is no option for reading. He has to keep reading all kind of material which is provided by the school or which is available everywhere. After that, it helps for self-learning because there is no need to someone to ask, or there is no need to follow the someone's instruction. If you want to develop your vocabulary, if you want to develop your English, if you want to enrich your language skills, then only self-learning is the best option. After that, if someone gets or if someone acquires the knowledge of particular subject, then it is always encouraged, because acquisition of knowledge is encouraged because of this reading one, and it is an easy teaching method. But sir, dear student, this method is not applicable to all the standards, all the levels. Somewhere only few level or few standards this method is applicable one, because by using this type of method, students can be a good or active learners of English language, because apart from writing and other skill, they will have focus on only reading and listening. Then these are some demerits of this reading method. The speaking and writing skills are neglected. Yes, these fundamental skills are neglected. Means no scope is given for speaking, nothing is asked for writing, so that students are not habitual of having these two skills, or they can deliberately neglect this type of skills. Then other demerit is that there is a lack of or limited amount of reading material available. Means apart from books, if there is library in the school, only student can learn. If there is no provision of library, no book bank facility, then there is no chance of reading such type of material. Although right now we do have many means of ICT, technological support is there, but somewhere reading material, these reading material should be related to the age level of the students. And another demerit is that at times it can be dry and boring for the student, as there is no variety in the activity. Means only reading. By this one, it gets boredom to the students. No scope is given, only oral aspect is, or only reading skill is enriched, only listening skill is enriched, and this can be a monotonous one or mechanical one. So that it is so difficult or impossible to supervise or evaluate the silent reading of the students. Means there is no specific mean in what way we have to evaluate the silent reading, whether the student is reading particular content silently or not. Is he able to pay the proper attention? We cannot imagine. Means it is really impossible. Means these are some demerits of this Dr. West new method. Thank you very much, dear students.